Today for Halloween we've got Spooky Krystal and Spooky
Assistant.
Spooky Assistant. They're gonna have a spooky dessert contest, aren't you?
Yeah. Yes.
Who's gonna have the spookiest dessert?
Me. No.
What? Who?
Me. We'll see about that.
We'll let the people at home decide who's gonna have the spookiest dessert. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
The assistant's going first.
Great spooky things come to people who wait.
Ooh, she threw down the spooky gauntlet.
We'll see about that.
So assistant, I heard you're gonna use your best spooky recipe for what?
Making cupcakes.
Making cupcakes. There's
Okay.
your spooky bowl.
This is my magic dust that I'm gonna use.
Oh, your magic water. Ooh.
My magic water, sorry.
First is her magic water. She's got a scoop of magic water in. Okay. And pumpkin of fear.
Yeah.
All right, now what's your next ingredient?
Cheese balls.
Cheese balls, what? You got cheese balls?
Yeah, and they're really good.
So she's gonna use cheese balls.
Good thing I brought my strength yesterday.
So she's got cheese balls in. Okay, so she's got magic water and cheese balls. What's gonna be your next spooky ingredient?
Okay, I'm gonna use my cotton candy.
Cotton candy and cheese balls for your cupcakes?
Yep.
I don't know about that.
Got it.
What's a whole big ball?
Okay, I'm only gonna use half of it.
Really? Look at all that cotton candy.
I'm gonna use.
Is that real cotton candy?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Wow. Oh, wow. All right, so she's gonna use her cotton candy. She's gonna spread it all around, right?
Oh man, it got stuck to my fingers.
So she's got her spooky cotton candy. Wait, let me look at it.
Wait, where's my spoon?
Are you gonna mix it?
Yeah, because the cotton candy melts.
Oh.
Because cotton candy melts, and that'll make it better. Okay, I'll finish stirring that in a minute.
Okay, what's your next ingredient?
My next ingredient is the marshmallows.
Marshmallow? Marshmallow and cotton candy?
Yeah! The best ingredients make the best desserts.
I guess so. But that seems kind of silly. Oh, you have a hard time getting them open?
No. See, cheese balls are a good dessert. This is a good dessert, and marshmallows are good dessert.
Whoa! I don't know about that.
Well, it's a good combination because it's my family recipe.
Really? Does it go back hundreds and hundreds of thousands of years?
No, I made it up this morning.
And it's your famous family recipe? What?
Yeah.
How did it get so famous so fast?
Because I'm the only one in my family. Just kidding.
Oh,
Me and
because
this
you're a vampirist, right? Hey, are you friends with Vampirina?
Yeah, I work alone.
Oh, you do?
That looks delicious.
All right. It does. Do you have any more ingredients?
Yes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the eyeballs.
Oh, you got.
I'm
Go,
only gonna
eyeballs.
use 2 though. So they're actually gumballs.
Let me see.
1 eyeball.
Whoa. Let me see. You got an eyeball in your eye. What are you doing? Oh yeah. Can you see out of it? Can you see out of that eyeball?
No, it's stuck. I'm only gonna use 1. Okay, ready, set.
Oh, it worked!
Now, yeah, I think I'm good. Okay, now I think I'm gonna do like 1 more ingredient.
Well, wait. Okay.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Ooh.
So these are your cupcakes. Sister, what you doing?
I dropped the lid
You
in
gotta
it.
watch it. There's spiders all over here. Giant spiders.
Whoa. To make it a little more colorful.
Wow.
Add a little bit more.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
So now for my last ingredient for decoration. the icing.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Oh, what was that sound?
Whoa.
Alright, so you gotta put it in the oven, right?
Yeah. Wait, no. It's the fridge. Wait, no. It's the cabinet.
Wait a minute, so wait, if you don't use an oven, how are you gonna cook it? What kind of a power source are you gonna use to make your cupcake?
The power source that I'm going to use. Wow, I have a messy spoon.
Yes, you have.
Look that later. Okay, the power source that I'm going to use is my electric thing.
Well, it says high voltage on it.
Cause it is. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Okay. Whoa. Oh, okay.
Wait,
We're good.
do you have to do it again, or is that good?
Like 10 more seconds. Count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa!
Okay. We're good. We gotta let this sit for about 10 minutes, and the cupcakes will form.
Okay. So I guess it's time for Spooky's Krystal's turn, right?
Right. Okay. I'll put this to the side.
Okay. Okay, sassy Spooky Krystal, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so you are gonna make, what are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make cake.
A spooky cake?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what's your first thing you're gonna do?
The water.
Oh, you're gonna use the spooky magic water too?
Yes.
So there it goes. Whoa. Wait a minute. Whoa, I don't think I should even touch that water.
No.
Alright, so she's added some water. What's your next ingredient?
Some eyeballs.
Eyeballs? Oh, those are the gumball, magic gumballs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. How many of those are you gonna use?
4.
1.
Wow. They're hard to get out.
2, 3, 5. You're gonna make an extra eyeball in cake
Yes.
with that, because you use 5 instead of 4. Alright, what's your next ingredient?
I'm gonna use some extra crunchy peanut butter.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like eyeballs in my peanut butter. I really don't. So
Well,
there it is. And you know what we're gonna do, Krystal, is we're gonna donate the same amount of food we use in this video for people that don't have food. Isn't that cool?
yeah.
So you got it?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna make a donation for people that need food.
Oh, sorry. Oh no!
There
It's
you go.
there.
So there's our peanut butter. Is that real peanut butter?
Ooh, it's crunchy.
Oh, because it's spooky peanut butter.
Yeah, it's extra hard.
1.
It's hard. It's sticky.
Oh yeah.
I'll just do that.
Good job. What's your next ingredient gonna be?
Let me think. Oh, I'm gonna use some bee pollen.
Bee pollen? Does that really come from bees?
Maybe. I don't know.
I think it does. What was that sound? Would you add it already?
Yeah.
Wait, maybe you need to add a little more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is bee pollen. Look, people home, have you ever seen bee pollen? It's actually really good for you. You're making a healthy cake, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you can get the peanut butter off the spoon with the other spoon. Good job, good job. All right, what's your next ingredient gonna be?
Let's do some blue cotton candy.
Blue cotton candy? Whoa!
I'm gonna add some of this blue cotton candy.
What, really?
Yeah. Just half of it though.
You're gonna use half the blue cotton candy too? Is that real cotton candy?
I think so.
It looks like it is.
Yes.
So she mixes it in. Ooh, blue cotton candy. So that's different than the assistant who used red cotton candy. All right. So you've got bee pollen, peanut butter. You need to have like kind of like a floury type of ingredient too, right?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna use next?
Let me think.
So you've got some like little graham cracker cookies.
Yeah. I'm gonna use some of the sprinkles.
Sprinkles, okay.
My water's blue now.
Whoa, it is blue, look at that.
all I'm gonna use.
Okay, so are you going to use an oven or do you have a special way of cooking it too?
I'm gonna use one other ingredient.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
Hello.
Oh, you probably spilt them on purpose though, right?
Yes.
What are they?
They look like little pebbles.
Oh, they're magic beads, right?
Yeah.
Let me see those again, those magic beads. Wow!
I spilled them again. Now I'm gonna mix them up.
You're mixing them up, okay. All right, are you ready to put them in the oven?
No.
You're not gonna put them in the oven, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put them, in the high voltage thing.
What? Really?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! That always spits me.
Whoa.
So you've made your cake. All right, are you ready to have a big unveil with you and the assistant, see who's better? All right, let's go. Okay, so wait, how do they look like that?
Well, mine just sat for like a long time and it worked. Mine too.
Wait a minute, but they didn't look, they were like in a bowl a minute ago.
Yeah, they set really fast and like.
Oh, because you use that magic water, that
Yeah.
magic, like.
And the high voltage thing. Yeah, because
That's
that
right.
kind of helps.
Okay, so Spooky Assistant, tell me about your cupcake.
Okay, so mine has a variety of chocolate and vanilla. I have more over there. These are my example ones.
Oh, so you got sprinkles. I think I see the marshmallows in there too, right?
Yeah, and I have like, this is my icing and there's some cheese balls right there in the middle. And my sprinkles, and of course my icing and cotton candy.
Wow, so that looks pretty cool. Hey, you know what? Do you think this would be a fun thing for friends to do at Halloween, to make their own, decorate their own cupcakes and cakes? This is a fun Halloween party.
Yeah.
Activity for families or for friends. Okay, Spooky Krystal, you tell me about your cake.
Okay, first of all though, I think, honestly, my cake is better than her cupcake.
What, you think yours is better than the assistant's? Well, people at home, you're gonna have to help us.
You're voting, so.
Yeah, you're gonna have to let us know. So show me all the different things on your.
So, I have some sprinkles and it's covered with chocolate icing, and then
I didn't even see us use chocolate. Amazing.
And then I went on the edges and I put blue icing on it. And then on the four edges, I put eyeballs.
Whoa! Those are gumball eyeballs. All right, so now it's time for the people at home to vote. Who do you think had the best cake? Was it the cupcakes of the assistant?
Me! I'm gonna do a dance to support me.
So she's doing a second.
Halloween, yeah!
Oh, she almost fell. All right, Spooky Assistant. What about Spooky Krystal? She with her cake. Do you think you're the winner?
Yes, and I'm gonna do a dance too.
You're gonna do a dance too?
Boom, boom, boom. It's better with the, like that.
Whoa. Well, we need the people at home to be the final deciders. Or should we leave it to these guys up here? What?
Oh, I forgot those were in my kitchen. You can deal with them, Krystal.
You better get out of here. Let's go. Bye, everyone. Remember to subscribe.
Bye.
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!